me, I tell him only partly. I only live my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, Betty Dub, I even got it tatted on.
Hey guys, it's Miriam and welcome to the vlog. Today my friend Jasmine and I are going to the city because we're going to the Alice in Wonderland exhibit. We thought that we would vlog for you guys, and also Jazz has her own YouTube channel, so you should go check her out. And yeah, we'll vlog when we get into the city and hopefully you guys enjoy. So we just got to the Alice in Wonderland exhibit and we got, wait, what are these? Like maps. They're maps, and I am the Queen of Hearts and Jazz is Cheshire Cat. Yes, she's a cat. I'm a queen. Well, the evil queen, technically. Oh my god, there's like a cool door. So we're gonna go to Wonderland.
This might be the last time we ever see you guys, so yes. We love you. We love your mum. I love you. Dad.
What about Layla?
I don't really love you.
We've just entered Wonderland and the first thing that Jazz is feeling is hungry.
Sorry.
Apparently Wonderland makes you really hungry, so...
Yeah, it makes you wonder about food.
Food and chai time.
When we were looking here, there were people on the other side.
Oh my god.
Don't even.
That is... Whoa. Trippy.
She's so confused because they can't see us. This is a mirror for them.
Yep. So they don't know that we're here. Jazz is making a TikTok video.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes. So we're in line to go into the tea party room and have a tea party, low-key hoping there's real food when all we think about is food. Oh my god! Oh my god! That is like low-key kind of creeping me out, but it's like so funny. Oh my god, no, we're like together. We're together!
Oh my god, we are.
Except now I've just run off without you.
Girl, see ya. Wait,
and you're like, yeah, and then I'm going the opposite.
Girl, why are you gonna run off?
We just had our tea party. It was so cool. It was magical. And we just like put our faces on this like running thing, which was like, you guys would have seen it from the clip before, but it was like so old.
Do you reckon these like the original costumes? Get out. If
surely.
I'm gonna scream.
No.
I feel like they might be.
Now that is what I call a smile.
Oh yeah. We're gonna be like spin, and then I'm gonna put it in slow-mo, and we'll just do like whatever we want to do.
Oh wait, I'm not ready.
Pose, and then freeze, and then I'm gonna...
Wait, what do you mean freeze?
So I'm gonna go, say you pose like that, and then you can freeze like that, and then I'm gonna go slow-mo, I'll say go, and you can just start moving. It's gonna be really fast.
Okay, cool.
Go. Now. You know how to do this. You do.
Girl, I do not.
Yes! Look at the hair! TikTok star right there.
You got every right to a beautiful life. Come on. Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it?
So we just came out of the Alice in Wonderland exhibit. Peep the birds in the background. It was really good. We had a lot of fun. So we got some sushi and we're gonna eat. Well, Jazz has already started eating, but I'm gonna start eating now, and hopefully those birds don't come attack us. Hopefully those birds don't come attack us. Oh my my god, so the funniest thing just happened. If you haven't noticed, we've literally moved positions.
I'm like shaking almost, like my heart.
I'm literally like, I'm like scared. I have the biggest fear of beds, and we've got sushi, and as soon as I turn the camera off to eat the sushi, literally a swarm of birds, one bird, while Jazz was eating her sushi, tried to cut, like swooped my head, like full like grabbed my hair and came
Holding it. Guys, this piece of sushi was half in my mouth and half in my hand, and I'm like, and I literally just feel a bird swoop, and I'm like, what?
It like swooped right over my head and like tried to snatch it and keep in mind, it was like, she was really about to put it in her mouth, and I'm just sitting there. I was like, we full both screamed. We probably look like such divas, like screaming over birds, but like they're evil. And the birds were still hanging around, like death staring at us and our food. I was like, are you trying to eat the food or us right now? Because, oh my god, it's a mirage.
Don't know if it's a mirage, but I always see your face.
Jazz, where are we?
Premium filter.
Premium time. Where else would we be?
Oh yeah, it's so good.
Hey guys, it is the next day now, and I realized that I never ended the vlog, so I am ending it off right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I do post new videos every single week. Go check out Jasmine's channel as well, and check out her TikTok because she makes the best transition videos ever. You will not regret following her. And yeah, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and follow Jasmine on Instagram as well. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
She's got particular taste. Yeah, she's